Before we move on to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel right away so you can catch our exciting content and be the first to know about my new videos. Firstly, it's important to include quality and durable pieces in your wardrobe. Quality fabrics and good stitching details will make your clothes look more luxurious and expensive. Choosing clothes that fit you well can instantly change your look. Well-fitted pieces that complement your body create a more elegant and stylish appearance. Accessories are essential in completing your outfits. Enhance your looks with quality and appropriate accessories. A few select jewelry pieces or a stylish bag can elevate your look. The choice of colors can make your outfits look more luxurious. Opt for classic and harmonious colors to achieve a sophisticated style. Take care of your clothes. Clean, ironed, and well-maintained clothes always look more expensive. Create depth by layering different pieces. Layering quality and complementary items can give you a chic look. Having knowledge about brands and quality helps you make the right shopping choices. Keep an eye on sales from quality brands to find luxury pieces within your budget. Reflect your unique style. While staying fashionable is important, preserving your individual style is equally valuable. Notice the fine stitching details of your clothes. Delicate and meticulous stitches make your clothes look more expensive. Include a few statement pieces in your wardrobe. A quality jacket, leather shoes, or an elegant dress always enhance your style. Invest in timeless classic pieces. Classic items like a trench coat, white shirt, or black pants always remain stylish and chic. Coordinate your clothes thoughtfully. Carefully selecting coordinated and stylish combinations can give you a harmonious and chic look.